Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is in partnership with Estēe Lauder, and I'm taking you a little bit closer. We're getting a little bit more intimate and sort of getting into my holistic nighttime routine. You guys know that I am a full-time blogger, so 5 days out of the 7-day week I am in my office working behind my desk and sort of doing behind the scenes things that you guys don't see a lot of, but you always see the end result of, i.e. a video like this. That being said, I actually don't get out that much. So it's very necessary for me to actually be outside and just receive a healthy dose of fresh air and sort of just, you know, just be outside in the world. There's a beach really close to me, about a 15-minute drive, which is so tranquil, so peaceful. It's not crowded with tourists, and it has the most incredible view of Cape Town. It's my favorite place to just unwind, take a walk on the beach. There are a few little restaurants and that sort of thing on the strip, but today I feel like making a home cooked meal. Most often I cook a chicken dish, so whether it's roast chicken and roast potatoes, a chicken casserole, chicken Caesar salad. I really love to just unwind in the kitchen, and I don't cook every day, but I cook most days of the week when my schedule permits. This comes to my actual nighttime skincare routine, which is so important for me, being someone who is always trying on new products, obviously, and doing makeup looks and stuff at least 2 days of the week. It's really important that my skin is taken care of. I pre-cleanse, I cleanse, I tone, I have my serums, and then I have my sort of moisturizing, hydrating, replenishing products. So by this point I have pre-cleansed, which is basically dissolving my makeup with an oil cleanser. And then I go in for my second cleanse, and I use the Estēe Lauder Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Foam, which I actually have been loving. It is super lightweight, it doesn't get too foamy or too soapy, and you really feel your skin look and feel a whole lot more radiant and smooth. I go ahead and tone my face. People sort of skip the toning stage. I don't know, for me I can't really do without it because I do have really dehydrated skin, so it's imperative for me that I actually just have my pores closed up, sort of replenish my pH balance to get ready for my serums. So I begin with my eye cream, and I have been using the Estēe Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix for about a couple of months now, and I must say I really love it. Eye cream is a step in your skincare routine which you just can't afford to skip out on. And then I head on to use these new Ampoules I've been loving. So Estēe Lauder has the Advanced Night Repair Intensive Recovery Ampoules. I love Ampoules because they come in these sort of rubbery capsules which contain a very high concentrated undiluted amount of product that once you twist open the capsule and you massage it into your skin is receiving the highest concentration of the most powerful ingredients in the A&R range. And I feel as though this is my bedtime holy grail product at the moment. So then after that I go in with the much loved and the iconic Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex 2, and this is once again probably something you've seen in your mother's bathroom, on your auntie's shelf, on your auntie's bedside table. It is for everyone, and I have started using this even morning as well as night. I like to apply this on my cuticles. I like to apply this, mix this in with my foundation. I like to apply this as a primer before my foundation if I want sort of like a dewy finish. It's an all-purpose, all-rounding product that gives you so much bang for your buck. And then the last step in my routine is facial oil. So you'll realize that I've actually sort of decreased my use of moisturizers in my skincare routine. I've just been loving having my serums do the work and not piling on too much product. And so I have been loving the Advanced Night Repair Recovery Mask in Oil, which is a super lightweight but very replenishing facial oil, which I like to apply as the very last step in my skincare routine. This is what sets me up for a beautiful night's rest. One thing I love about the A&R range is that there is no significant fragrance in these products. I'm someone who has sensitized skin, so there's certain ingredients that sort of give me a reaction. I also have allergies and sinus issues and asthma, so it's better for me to use products that don't trigger that. The scent of the A&R range is so mellow, it's so calming that I actually look forward to applying it every night. Anyway guys, that's as interesting as my nighttime routine comes. I just wanted to share with you a little bit about my night, and I want you to comment down below letting me know what your nighttime holistic ritual or routine entails. How do you de-stress from a long day? How do you de-stress from a long week? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Ba ba dee da dee da.